Hi, it's Sunday, May 18th, 2025, and we're in Minnesota doing our Sunday walk. It's beautiful weather today. You can see the lovely green leaves, the pretty blue lake, slight breeze making the leaves rustle. The grass is growing and getting long. We've had some rain the last couple days, so that's really helped. It's 55 degrees Fahrenheit right now, which is 13 degrees Celsius, and it's sunny. You can see there's just few little wispy clouds in the sky. So because it's 55, I'm just wearing some thin long sweatpants and a sweatshirt and sunglasses. If you can hear the birds. I don't see or hear any geese right now. So we're just 10 minutes from the Mall of America, 10 minutes from the Minneapolis-St. Paul International Airport, and we're about 10 minutes from where the Mississippi and the Minnesota rivers meet. So sometimes there's bald eagles and other interesting birds around that migrate up from the Gulf of Mexico. They follow the river up north. You can kind of hear the birds right now. So here we have some contrast pretty typical of May in Minnesota. We've had some high winds in the last couple of days. So this is a pretty good sized branch that just fell down off of this really big cottonwood tree right here. And then in the background is a row of Japanese lilacs that are blooming beautifully right now. So we do get wind and rain and storms in May in Minnesota. And so we get used to picking up branches. You can see there's more on the trail up here as we keep going. So a nice way of putting it is saying that the trees are self-pruning. They lose branches, so we don't always have to do all the pruning. Sometimes it gets done for us. Also, people are starting to plant more flowers because it's warm enough at night. So here's some coleus and some primrose that have been planted along with a palm and more branches. You can see that quite a few of the shrubs along here died and did not survive the winter. We had some really cold days this winter, but no snow, or not enough snow. And if we get like a foot of snow on the ground to protect the roots and the base of these shrubs, they would have made it, but they had no protection this winter because we didn't have enough snow. So the cold got through the ground and got down into the root system. I had quite a few shrubs die at my house too. So here we are at the pretty lake with the pretty hill in front of it. I can see there's some ducks or geese on the other side. Some, I'll get out of the shade here. There's some geese over there hanging out. And there's more geese over there hanging out. We're just gonna meander. It's just such a lovely day. Thank you.